Son las 7:41 y tengo que despertar porque tengo que irme a la escuela. Y no tengo ganas, tengo mucho sueño. Me quiero volver a dormir. Siento que es like the first day of school and then I'm just like so tired. I went to sleep like around 10, but I wasn't able to sleep. Like me dolió mucho la cabeza. I was turning from one side to another side y así back and forth, and I'm like, bro, you need to go to sleep. So I was trying like estos de ¿cómo se llama? Breathing exercises, like así, poquito, because I just couldn't, like, it was so annoying. And now I just didn't want to wake up. And I have to wake up now because I have to go to school. Okay, this is the first time I go back to school after like 2 weeks of not going. And it's not because I didn't want to. It's because like one of my classes got canceled. I got sick. And then I had fall break. So you see, like it was not completely me. It wasn't completely my fault. So so I went to the dentist, and then usually this is one thing that I don't like to like point it out. I'm just gonna do it because whatever. But like you see when I smile, so kind of my teeth like this, right? Instead of going like this, they're like this. And I talked to my dentist about it because I remember before I had braces, I didn't have that. So I was like, now why, like now that I have braces, it's gonna create that problem. Like make it make sense. Like isn't I supposed to like make it straight and then but no. So like right now I think like they're kind of getting better because I told him. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick makeup because I don't want to go like he's gonna get mad. Yo lo conozco. So let's play some music to she. Papelito. Cuéntanos un poquito. Okay, ya terminé. This is the look for today. Have to hurry up. Okay. I'm like always. He's not surprised. He's like, okay. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Substance use issues, family history of violence. But what are the alternatives, right? What are the other reasons that they were engaging in crime,
So I'm done eating, and then right now I'll just like gonna study a little bit for my midterm for my test number 2. And I realized that I don't know anything. and I'm scared for my life. But that's my fault because I didn't study. I prioritized more school work than school, so that's gonna affect me. And that's a lesson. The when I'm in like the middle of the midterms, I need to study instead of preocupándome de trabajar como loca. Me va a pasar lo mismo que me pasó last time, que ni siquiera aprendí el micrófono. But right now, I just, oops. But right now, this is like the last class that I have. Oh, I already got out. I took a test today. Um, I'm really tired. I want to go home, but my dad's still not here. But this is everything that I did today. I didn't do much. I usually don't do much, but right now I'm just like so yeah. I don't know why I say so yeah. I'm waiting on my dad. And I'm editing this video right now while I'm waiting on my dad because if I'm not gonna do anything right now, I just call my phone. Just not gonna be very hectic.